What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Raul. We're gonna working on the RSX. We just got Mishimoto radiator in. The reason why my car is not running right now is because the radiator went out and it was overheating. We also got some other stuff, but we'll install that while we're installing the radiator. I already opened it, but I'm gonna make it seem like if I didn't.
Ooh.
So what I got here is the fan switch. I'm gonna replace that. I believe it goes right here. And this is like the drain plug or whatever. Shout out to my family, they got me a toolbox for my birthday. I don't really use it, it's just me sitting out here. So yeah, you had to lift up the car real quick. We already took out some brackets. It's two brackets, one goes right here and the other one goes right here. They look like that. It's just a 10mm bolt they have to unscrew. You're just gonna drain the coolant for now. Yes, sir. This is my neighbor, Roberto. He lives across the street. He's a mechanic. He's here to supervise me, make sure I don't mess up my car and I don't kill myself. There's a drain plug. You could basically just twist it off with your hand. It's that white piece right there. You just, you know, lefty loosey, righty tighty. You just loosen it and then it'll start coming out.
You can reuse that?
Yeah. Just like oil. Nah, just like.
I was like, I don't know.
Es mejor que te ayudes con el otro. Cuando está pegada ahorita, ¿sí?
You see that?
Yeah. There you go.
So that's one of the hoses.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take out the radiator support just to make everything easier. It would be easier if the AC condenser was in there, but we're not trying to remove that. So all these bolts are just 10mm. They're all the same. On the radiator support, you see all those holes, there's like so many clips. So just make sure you have some pliers for that.
Ahora sí.
Fan number one.
There you go.
Fuck, man. So we actually took an extra step and we're gonna replace the thermostat. It's gonna be located right under the manifold. Exactly right there. 3 bolts where the thermostat goes. I forgot to mention, so there's gonna be like 2 main hoses, one at the very bottom, one right here, and the fan switch sensor or whatever. I'm not gonna reuse this because I already bought a new one or whatever. There's gonna be like 2 screws for each fan and it should come right out. You know, it wasn't that hard. It just takes a lot of time because you have to take off the clips and try not to break them. There's gonna be like small little boots. Well, I call them boots or whatever. There's gonna be like little plastic parts on the bottom. We're gonna reuse those and put them on the new radiator. So we're gonna put the radiator in. Kind of nervous because you don't want to ding it up. Hella scary. See?
It's in already?
It's in. It's in. That's it, guys. So subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.
Ándale, ahí me dice. Y ya le echamos una manita.
Alright guys, so we basically put everything back together. The radiator support, the brackets, and the hood latch. Everything's back together. We're just filling it up with coolant and we're gonna bleed the system. Alright guys, so we basically are gonna go on a test drive. It is not overheating, but the fans aren't turning on and we're just gonna go test drive it and see if anything happens or if it overheats. I don't know, we're gonna see.
3 days later.
What is up, guys? So this is like a couple days after I installed my radiator or whatever, but yeah, I'm currently driving it right now. When we went to go drive, when we went to go drive the car around and see if the fans were working, they eventually did turn on. Everything's working perfectly fine. So this is it right now. You see it's not overheating anymore. Everything's working perfectly fine. It's good to have the car back, but you know, still need to fix some other things. But I mean, it's running now. You know, that's the most important part, that it's running, and that's like I have a transportation to work and stuff like that. It's currently 5 in the morning. I just got off of work. Right now I'm gonna get home and edit the video and upload it for you guys, because you know, vlogging another vlog for you guys. Maybe work on the RSX. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We're trying to reach 300 subscribers as soon as possible. And yeah guys, catch you guys in the next one. Later.